So in this problem, we're told that a planet moves in an elliptical orbit around its sun. The closest the planet gets to the sun is approximately 20 astral units, and the furthest is approximately 30 astral units. The sun is one of the foci of the elliptical orbit, and letting the ellipse center at the origin and labeling the axes in AU, in astral units, the orbit will look like the figure below, the graph that we're given here. Use the graph to write an equation of the elliptical orbit of the planet. So how do we do that? Well, we have to remember that in this case, we're looking for the form x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. So what is a? Well, the distance from the center to the ellipse on the major axis is 25 units. So that means a equals 25. So we have x squared over 25 squared plus y squared over, well, how do we find b squared? We have to remember the relationship involving the focus. Remember the distance from the center to the focus, which in this case is 5 astral units. That's c. And we have the relationship b squared equals a squared minus c squared. So b squared equals, we know a is 25, so 25 squared minus c is 5 squared. So b squared, 25 squared minus 5 squared is 600. So we know that this is 600 for b squared underneath y squared. We multiply 25 by itself, we square it. So x squared over 625 plus y squared over 600 equals 1. And there's the equation for the ellipse that represents the orbit of this planet around its sun.